Welcome students. In this video, I'm going to be talking about writing day one with informative writing when it comes to compare and contrast. You'll notice it's really similar to the main idea. Just a reminder what informative writing is. It's writing that gives information to your reader. So you as the student are becoming an expert and sharing facts about a topic. An expert is a person who knows a lot about something. They study and they find facts. And facts are things that are known or proven to be true. So, for example, I have my picture of my dog here. The facts about my dog are that he has brown fur, 4 legs. You can see the white fur on his paws. I see a tail, 2 ears. Those are all facts. I can prove it to be true. Like I said before, I'm not telling you how I feel about my dog. I'm just stating what I see or the facts about my dog. So for day one, you are going to become the expert. You're going to read the entire text and find the facts that you have learned. So let's go and become an expert. So here's writing day one for compare contrast is all about alligators and crocodiles. So you have your entire text here. I sat here and read it to you so you can listen to it there. And it's a long one, but you can read it. You've been practicing your reading. And then down here below, it asks you to find 6 facts from the article above. So to model that, I'm just going to read this first section right here, and I'm going to find some facts. Your job, though, is to read the entire article, listen to the entire article, and find 6 facts. So the beginning says, alligators and crocodiles are reptiles. This means they are cold-blooded and have to regulate their body temperature with their surroundings. Alligators do this by cooling off in the shade or the water and warming up in the sun. Alligators and crocodiles, like most reptiles, also lay eggs, and their skin is covered with hard, dry scales. Sometimes alligators are called gators for short, and sometimes crocodiles are called crocs for short. Okay, so right off the bat, I found some facts that I am now learning all about crocodiles and alligators. So the first fact I found was that, putting it in my own words, I'm going to say gators and crocs are reptiles that are cold-blooded and lay eggs. So I used what they said how you can call alligator a crocodile, and I mentioned that they're reptiles and they're cold-blooded and lay eggs. So I got all those facts from right here. So you can use my first fact, but you also need to read the entire article or listen to the entire article and find 5 more facts. Good luck on writing day one.